Most people don't know this, but some eruptions make their own lightning. Ash, gas, and rock explode upward, and the sky suddenly turns electric. The plume slams particles together so hard that charges build fast. Lightning then rips through the cloud before anyone expects it. But there's a catch: the volcano is not just throwing fire, it's making a storm. Here's what makes it even stranger. The bigger the ash cloud, the stronger the sparks can become. That means one eruption can light up the night like a war zone. And that's where things get interesting. The volcano isn't only destroying the ground below it. It's creating weather above it.